Hi there! In these quick 5 steps I will show you how to make colorful square candles using Lego molds. So let's skip the boring intros and jump right into the first step. Wax, wick, Lego mold. Try to be creative and build more interesting shapes. Scents, color pigment, pot with stove, additional cups, and thermometer. Attach the wick to the bottom of the mold to keep it stable while pouring the wax. However, be mindful not to use too much glue, you'll need to remove it later. I'll be experimenting without this trick and, instead, using this hollow round plate. Add small wax chunks to the clean pot. Use wax specified for solid candles. I'm using soy wax. Put the stone to the lowest temperature. It will melt soon, so be careful not to overheat it. Once the wax reaches the required temperature, turn down the burner. Take your favorite aroma oil and pour it into a pot. Scents blend best with wax at a temperature of 75 to 80 degrees Celsius and require a 3 to 10% ratio. Stir for about 2 to 3 minutes. Pour the desired amount of wax in another container. Put some dyes. Use only dyes designed for candles. Other dyes may mix poorly or even be toxic when burning the candle. For beeswax candles, you can try use crushed beeswax crayons. They are not suitable for me because I use soy wax, so I use soy flake type dye pigments. To achieve the desired color, follow the manufacturer's instructions, but don't be afraid to experiment. You can check what color will result by testing a small amount on paper and waiting for it to set. However, be cautious not to let the prepared quantity solidify. Take your Lego molds, ensuring they are clean as any dirt will show on the candle surface. Pour in the first color. The ideal pouring temperature is 65 to 70 degrees Celsius. Once again, check the manufacturer's instructions. Wait for at least 15 minutes until the first layer solidifies, and then prepare the second color. Pour the second layer. This time you may need to wait a bit longer, as the warm first layer will slow down the cooling process. The third layer. After completing this process, let the candle set for 48 hours. Time to break it down and reveal the final chapter. I wanna be honest with you and admit something. I only kept it for 1 day.